It is a
because
good question.
it is so discounted. Sometimes when you see technology discounted, it's a second-hand or it's refurbished. This is brand new, sealed in the box. Our price is just massively.
A silver alert has been issued for Maricopa County. This is the Arizona Department of Public Safety. The Chandler Police Department is looking for 15-year-old Owen Goldson. Owen is a white male, 5 feet 10 inches tall, 140 pounds, brown eyes, and brown hair. Owen was last seen wearing a black t-shirt, blue jeans, black cowboy boots, and larger framed glasses. Owen was last seen at his residence on September 17, 2023 at 2000 hours, leaving his home in the area of Queen Creek Road and Arizona Avenue on a Blue Mountain bicycle. Owen does not have a cell phone. Owen's credit card provided by parents was used at a Target store and QT earlier in Tempe. Owen suffers from a medical condition which can cause him to get lost and easily confused. Please contact the Chandler Police Department with any information. If you have contact with the Silver Alert, please call 911. Monitor TV and radio for updates.
The one you're going to be able to go through